Now the remaining string functions. Next is left function. It extracts the given number of characters from left side of the string, that is from the beginning of the string. For example, select left, suppose this is the string, comma 4. So first you have to write the string, then number of characters. So this function will extract 4 characters from the left side. This is the left side of the string, that is from the beginning of the string. 4 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 characters will be extracted. So the output will be ABCD. You can use this function on the table also. Suppose this is a table EMP with these 2 columns, and if you write select left E name comma 3 from EMP. So left function will extract 3 characters from the column E name. So this is the column E name. This is E name, sorry. And from the left hand side 3 characters means 1, 2, 3. So first output will be NEE. The next string 1, 2, 3. This will be the output. Next 1, 2, 3. So this will be the output. So this is the final output. Now next is the write function. Write function returns the given number of characters from the right hand side of the string, that is from the last part of the string. So if you write select write, suppose this is the string, comma 4. So first you have to write the string from which you want to extract, comma number of characters. So if you want to extract 4 characters from the right hand side, this is the right hand side of the string, that is from the last part of the string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 characters will be displayed in the output. Don't reverse the string. The characters of the string will be in the same order, only the counting will be from the right hand side. Now next example, select. You can use it on the table also. Select write E name comma 3 from EMP. So this is the EMP table. So now write from right hand side 3 characters. So 1, 2, 3. So ENA. So this is the first output, ENA. Similarly, the next name 1, 2, 3. So RUN. So here the output will be RUN. Now the last one, Anita. So ITA, last 3 characters. So the output will be ITA. So this is how the write function works. It extracts the given number of characters from the right hand side of the string. The last string function is mid function, which works like substring function that you have already studied. So mid, it returns the substring from the given string from the given position and given number of characters. So the format of using mid function is mid. First you give the string value from which you want to extract the substring, then the starting position and then number of characters. Understand it by an example. If you write select mid, suppose this is the string, comma, the first number that you write will be the starting position, the second number that you will write will be the number of characters. If you don't write number of characters, it will take till the end of the string. So if you write 3, 4 means this is 1, 2, 3, third position. From third position 4 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 characters. So these 4 characters will be displayed in the output. And if you don't write this 4, suppose you write only till 3, then the output will be from third character till the last character, that is C, D, E, F, G, whole the remaining string. Similarly, if you use the same function on the table, if you write select mid E name comma 2 comma 2. So from the second position 2 characters from the table EMP. So this is the table EMP. Now from second position, so this is the second position, 1, 2, second position 2 characters. So these 2 characters, then 1, 2, these 2 characters, then this is the second position 2 characters. So EEARNI. So this will be the final output here.